Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can install WooCommerce plugin. First, what you have to do is to hover on plugins, click add a new plugin. Once you have clicked, search here WooCommerce. It will pop up here. So this is the plugin we need to install. Click install now. You wait as it installs. It has installed. So after installing, click activate. When it is activated, it will appear under installed plugins, and here it is. So that's how you can install that plugin. So now there you will have WooCommerce and products added to your dashboard. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.